2021 is the year about me, and that's not in a conceited way. My very broad New Year's resolution is to get my life together, so that is what I will be doing. It's time to say goodbye to unfollowed through plans and finally add some walk to my talk. I see it, I like it, I want it. In today's video, I'm going to be getting my life together, and this is going to be a series on my channel, but in today's video, it's going to be me writing down all of my goals and making a vision board that I'm going to be putting as the background on my computer so that I can constantly see it every day because I'm on my computer for school, whatnot, whatever. And I watched a video by Freddie My Love, her manifestation video, I'll link that down below. She used Canva to make a vision board and put it as the backdrop of her laptop, which is what I'm going to do. And it's going to constantly show me what I need to get done this year and my goals and visions, because I'm a person who, when I have a deadline, I will get things done, but I've always been scared to make deadlines for my personal goals rather than academic and stuff like that, because I focus so much on academics when I just need to work on my personal goals and make that a priority. But I've always been too scared of that because I was like, well, what if I don't succeed? But that's not going to be an option. So I'm going to write down my goals and I'm going to make my visions and goals a reality. So the first thing I have to do is write down all of my goals. I've wrote down a couple of them. Hi everyone, so I procrastinated and stopped filming that one day, and I'm in a different sweater. They just look kind of similar, just so you know. So reading dated my goals for this year. Sorry about the bad lighting. My goals by the end of the year, and if I want to add more, I will. No DNA on, oh, this is end of the week.
No DNA on the piano. What's that for?
That's the song I learned.
Oh, that you're like no fingerprints on the piano, so you can't be like traced or anything.
No, it's the song. She's a criminal. I'm a criminal. My goals for the end of 2021, make this first one happen. Please. Get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Subscribe if you aren't already. Release at least one song on all streaming platforms. We'll let you know if that when it happens. Get my splits on both legs. Make serious improvements on the piano. I know I'm not going to be an expert, but at least somewhat proficient. Read at least 20 books, and that's not that many, but sometimes I get busy and then I don't read for like 2 weeks straight. And then some days I'll be reading every day. So no, I'm going to make it at least finish all the books that Aunt Danielle is loaning me. Write at least 10 songs. Doesn't have to be good, but practice. Be in the best physical and mental state, because that's just as important. I've been in yet. Any other goals you think I should have?
Be more decisive.
Be more decisive. That's like actually a good goal. I'm gonna write it down. We need to make it happen. Write it down to make it happen.
I don't know how to spell.
Junior in high school. I don't know how to spell.
No.
How do I spell? Hi.
Hey.
Hey. So I just went on to find more images of things that I not want to incorporate into my life, such as sustainability. This has already been something I've been working on, but I still have such a long way to go. And then of course I had to add some outfit inspiration because I am obsessed with a cute fit and want to wear more of the outfits I love, regardless of whether or not others think it's weird, I'm too dressed up, or whatever else they want to think. I want my closet to represent who I am, and if it doesn't do that, then it is off to someone else's closet who will get more use out of it. I also want to have free time to actually enjoy my life and spend it with those who make me happy. I want to go out on adventures and see the world. After I collected most of my pictures, I began to spread them into a collage using Canva. This was a super helpful resource to make my virtual collage, and I would highly recommend you do the same. This video is not sponsored, but I low-key want to message them to see if they want to sponsor my 258 subscriber channel, because, you know, that'll get them a lot of exposure. Some of the images wouldn't work, so I had to find some other ones, but do not fret, they are all chosen for the same purpose. When you are making your vision board, think about things that you have already started to do, but have just been like most people and have procrastinated aside. Due to my personal experience, I have found that those things I have set aside are actually tangible things that would be realistic goals to officially set for myself. Instead of focusing on your end goal, focus on the steps to get you to that end goal. Sometimes when I set too high or too many goals for myself, I end up getting intimidated by them and end up not doing them at all. This is imperative to avoid, and I will be making a conscious effort to focus on my baby step that will lead me to my end vision. Recently, I've been working on my accountability. This means making sure I complete all of my rings on my Apple Watch, working out every day no matter how short or how long, using the few minutes I have on break from school, or practicing the piano, and countless other things. In fact, a huge part of the reason I'm filming this series is to hold myself accountable. Like I said earlier, I have always been someone who has been afraid of writing my goals down because I was scared of failure. I knew that my lazy butt would only do the bare minimum, and this literally meant school, cheer, theater, and any other extracurricular where I had a set time to do things and had deadlines. For me to make my dreams come true, I have to make my own schedule and deadlines. I know that if I make this video, I will feel a pressure to succeed, and that is exactly what I need. I am also a perfectionist, but this meant that for things that I'm not perfect at right away, I sometimes don't even want to attempt. But nothing is worse than not even attempting at all. So I will spend each and every day working towards the ideas behind the pictures here on the screen. If I fail, I fail, but at least I can say I tried. This year will be one of happiness, health, music, fashion, education, positivity, and success. It has been done. Have I wasted your time for 45 minutes? Because that's how long the screen recording was. So this is her. Tell me all of my goals have not been achieved as we speak.
Gorgeous, wonderful. Wow, just like look at it. You have seen it, liked it, wanted it, got it. You love yourself, accept yourself, and forgive yourself. I don't know what you forgive yourself for, but you have forgiven yourself.
Forgive myself for procrastinating this long to make my dreams come true. All you have to do is make a Canva board, and then things will happen. Now, obviously, I have to take the steps to actually make this stuff happen. But, we've done the writing down our goals and putting it on a vision board. When you want me to see my steps taken to complete these goals, I will show you that. But stay subscribed so you can see that all. And now we manifest.
Yes.
Dear Brittany.
What? Dear Brittany, I am healthy. I am healthy. I am rich. Don't say it. I'm gonna go get that back.